Star. Where am I? And what? Oh, hey guys, Lily.
What are you doing?
Alright, let me give you a tour of my house. When you walk, I'm walking into my house, and you see a lake right here. And then I got in, and now I have a nice looking balcony with this.
What?
A bridge.
A bridge?
That goes down.
A bridge
to my place where I hang out, watch some TVs, I think, play some video games.
Okay.
Okay, and then I go back here, or I can do on my roof and then just look over there. Whatever I like, because this is my word. You can do and you cannot do anything. I can do whatever I want.
What?
Because I have to create this word first. And created by me. And when you go here, and I can this the place. I just watch TV, and I got a command.
It's a
And
your
time
TV.
set day.
Yeah, a big TV.
I got a big TV. This is my where I eat, or I got some cake.
It's a black TV.
And I got my refrigerator. I got a fridge. Yeah, whatever. And I have this thing that is pretty nice. I made it by my own. And you go out here.
It'll get
You
with the pool.
You can also go in here and just like
I
swimming.
I see nothing.
Alright, whatever you broke.
No.
And I fell. And when you go, and then when someone wants to visit me, first what you gotta do is you gotta go to this house right here. You gotta go to this house.
Oh, another house?
This house, yeah. And then you have to live here for 1 day.
Yeah.
And then
Then what?
And then you come out the back door, and then you gotta go to over here. You gotta go over here to my dining center. I will be your taking the breakfast.
Lunch.
And then what you gotta do is go swimming with me.
Wow. Swim with you?
Yeah, and then you gotta go here and just get a nice relaxing day. And then you gotta go right around the pool and go up to my house. I showed you. Wait, first I didn't let you check this out first. And this has nothing.
What
What
are your
nice
hobbies?
path.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is video games, duh.
Game?
Video games.
Video game.
Oh, and also, if you like to, and you gotta go in my house, and then you can be and then you're in the club, and then you can stay here forever if you like.
Well, you have a private club?
Yeah, but club.
Oh.
Everyone has a club. Everyone has a club. You don't. I do.
Oh, no.
I got one friend on my list. It's me, Steve too, on that other iPad. And here, you can live here if you want, or you can live on my mansion. And cows, get away from my mansion. Get out of here, cow.
You have a cow on your house.
Whatever, I can do that. And you can go gliding. Woohoo! I gotta get some fireworks.
You
to
could
set
fly.
free.
You could fly. You could swim.
I can do whatever. This is my world.
Yeah. You could kill everyone.
Now, I'm
Yeah.
not gonna kill everyone.
Yeah.
And take off. Then that fire didn't work. And you can also get fireworks. If that didn't work. And you can also get fireworks. If that didn't work.
Yeah, say goodbye everyone.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.